Hello guys, in this video I will tell you how to check Street View network in Google Map. Let's go on mobile screen. So I am opening Google Map. You can see. So firstly we are seeing the three layers icon in right corner. You can see. So click on it. After clicking on layers, there are many options available like map type and map defaults. We are clicking on satellite and map details street view. You can see the background has been changed. So here we are seeing the blue color network. The whole blue color network is Google Street View. These areas are captured by Google Street View. Google Street View provides a 3D image, so it will very helpful for us.